Hey yo, what is up? Welcome back to some more drone testing. This is drone testing 102, baby. Let's go, yeah. This camera is actually fucking better because it's not a GoPro. It is actually a fucking spy camera. Yeah. Let's let's see how this goes. Sorry for you, Abe. Yo, that was so fucking. Oh, you still recording? Yo, you still recording? Let's go. Yeah. Now, oh no, I have to fucking recalculate this shit now. Damn it. Well, I think that was good. Let's try just one more test. And yeah, maybe. And you know what? Fuck this. The drone is being a piece of shit now. Fucking tree probably fucked it up. I don't know. See you on it.